Hello and welcome. So from next videos, we are going to make a application that is image slideshow. So let me just show you how the application would look like. So this is our image slideshow application, and here we have a button to go to the next image, and that is a button to go to previous image as well. So we can go like this. Okay. Now, if you want to do a slideshow, that means automatically it should go to the next image, so that you can do by clicking on this slideshow button. So you can see it is just going like that. Now the speed, you can change it by just scrolling this guy somewhere here. So right now the speed is a bit faster. So now I can minimize the speed, or I can decrease the speed like this. Okay. So you can see it is taking too much time. So this is how it will look. Now if I want to increase the speed, I can simply drag this guy and can put it here. So you can see it is moving too fast right now because the speed is too fast. I can decrease the speed by putting this guy somewhere here. So right now the speed is like that, and if I want to increase the speed, I can do like this. So this is the application that we are going to make from the next videos, and obviously you can load as many images as you want. Currently I have loaded only, let's say 10 or 9 images. Okay, that was 10 images. So let's just try to make this application from next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.